Morning students, let us continue with the exercise 10.3. It's question number 6. Find the magnitude of the vector A and the magnitude of the vector B if vector A plus vector B dot product with the vector A minus vector B that is equal to 8, and the magnitude of the vector A that is given as equal to 8 magnitude of the vector B. So what you will do students, we will multiply them. So it will come as vector A dot product with vector A minus vector A dot product with vector B, and here it is now vector B dot product with vector A minus vector B dot product with vector B, right? This is equal to 8. Now students, because we know that dot product of the vector A vector B that is equal to vector B vector A, right? It means it will cancel out, and this can be written as vector A its whole square minus vector B its magnitude having whole square that is equal to 8, right students? But this vector A that is given you as 8 magnitude of vector B. Now we will put this value here, so it will come as 64 vector B its square minus vector B its square, this is equal to 8. From there we will get 63 vector B its square, this is equal to 8, or we can say that vector B its square that is equal to 8 by 63. Now students, this vector B will come as equal to, magnitude of the vector B will come as equal to the square root of 8 by 63, and this is now 2 by 3, and here it is 2 by 7, root 2 by 7, because 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 1 3 will come outside in the 8, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 1 2 will come outside. So therefore what you will say students, now vector this is magnitude of the vector A that is now 8 times of the magnitude of the vector B. Therefore this will come as equal to 8 2s are 16, 16 by 3, 2 by 7 its root is there. Now students, very easily we can write here the magnitude of the vector B that is asked in the question is this one, and this is the magnitude of the vector A. So this is the solution of question number 6 students. Students, try to solve question number 7 and 8 yourself. Let us come with question number 9. Find the magnitude of the vector x if for a unit vector A, x minus A dot product with the x plus A that is equal to 12. Now students, what you will do, we will multiply them with dot product plus x vector dot with vector A minus A vector dot x vector and minus A vector dot product with A vector. This is equal to 12. Earlier I have told you they will cancel out. This is equal to x vector its magnitude whole square minus vector A its whole square that is equal to 12. Now I have told you students, here in the question this is given as this is a unit vector, so it will come as equal to 1. So now this is minus 1 is equal to 12. So this will come as equal to 1 is will be added there, it will come as equal to 13. Therefore the magnitude of the vector x that will come as equal to root 13. So this root 13 is the solution of this question. So students, let us come with the question number 10. Vector A, vector B and vector C that is given to you, and here A plus vector A plus lambda vector B that is perpendicular to the vector C, then find out the value of lambda. First of all students, what we will do, A plus lambda we will find out, जिसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे बच्चों, A हमारे पास है 2i कैप 2j कैप प्लस 3k कैप, राइट, और प्लस लैम्डा इंटू दिस इज i कैप प्लस 2j कैप प्लस k कैप. हम इन दोनों को पहले सॉल्व कर लेंगे और ये हमारे पास सॉल्व करके आ जाएंगे 2 minus lambda I cap we will take common, इसी तरह से हम यहाँ से भी बच्चों 2 + 2 लैम्डा ये हमारा बन जाएगा जे कैप, और यहाँ से बन जाएगा 3 + लैम्डा, दिस इज़ के कैप, राइट। ये हमने निकाल लिया। अब हमें दिया गया है यहाँ पे वेक्टर ए + लैम्डा वेक्टर बी दैट इज़ परपेंडिकुलर टू वेक्टर सी। ये देखें ध्यान से, मेरी बात सारे बच्चों ने सुननी है। इट इज़ परपेंडिकुलर टू द वेक्टर सी। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब हुआ कि वेक्टर ए + लैम्डा वेक्टर बी का जो बच्चों डॉट प्रोडक्ट बनेगा वेक्टर सी के साथ, दैट विल कम एज इक्वल टू 0, राइट। अब हम बच्चों क्या करेंगे, ये जो वेक्टर हमारे पास आ गया ये वेक्टर लेंगे, और जो वेक्टर सी है उन दोनों का हम डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे, और जो ये जब हम इसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे तो बड़े इजीली हमारे पास लैम्डा की वैल्यू आ जाएगी। और इस क्वेश्चन के लिए हमारे पास लैम्डा की वैल्यू आएगी, द वैल्यू ऑफ लैम्डा दैट इज इक्वल टू 8। इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल नाउ, जस्ट you have to multiply them and you have to find out the value of lambda. So value of lambda will come as equal to 8. So let us continue with question number 11. In question number 11, show that magnitude of the vector A, vector B plus magnitude of the vector B, vector A, and magnitude of the vector A and vector B minus magnitude of the vector B and vector A, well their dot product, they are perpendicular for any two non-zero vector A and vector B. बच्चों इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या करना है, हमें क्या शो करना है कि अगर इन दोनों का अगर हम दीज आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर, इसका मतलब इन दोनों का जो हम डॉट प्रोडक्ट करेंगे वी विल मल्टीप्लाई देम विद ईच अदर एंड दैट विल कम एज इक्वल टू 0। तो आओ देखो how we will solve it. So here is the first one, like this. We will have its dot product with this is vector A, students, and with that one we will find out their dot product. So we will start our calculation from here. It will come as equal to magnitude of 8 square vector B dot product with vector B minus magnitude of the vector A, magnitude of the vector B, and B vector dot A vector plus magnitude of the vector B, magnitude of the vector A, then A vector dot product with B vector, this is the vector sign, minus magnitude of the B vector, it is square, and here it is A vector B vector, sorry A vector A vector. Now students, you know they will cancel out, and from here what you will get, it will come as equal to, this is now like this, and from here magnitude of the vector B its square, magnitude of the vector A its square will come. Now you can see that they will also come out, that will come as equal to 0. Therefore what you can say students, you can say that these both are perpendicular to each other. Very simply we can solve such type of the questions. So this is the solution here students, and we can say that they are perpendicular to each other. So let us come with the question number 12. Here it is given to you students that vector A dot vector A that is equal to 0 and vector A dot vector B that is equal to 0, then what you conclude about the vector B? So here what you will do students, how to solve such type of the questions. So here is the solution. You know that vector A that is equal to 0. So this is magnitude of the vector A square that is equal to 0, or this implies that magnitude of the vector A that is equal to 0. Also vector A dot product with vector A that is also given as equal to 0. What its meaning? Its meaning is either vector A is equal to 0 or vector B is equal to 0 or A vector is perpendicular to vector B. ये बोलता है तीन तरह की हमारी कंडीशन जो है इसके लिए बनेगी अगर आपको ये दिया गया है, या तो आपका वेक्टर ए 0 होगा बच्चों, या आपका वेक्टर बी 0 होगा, या वेक्टर ए जो है वो वेक्टर बी के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर होगा, तभी उनका डॉट प्रोडक्ट जो है वो 0 बनेगा। तो ये बोलता है अगर मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द वेक्टर ए जो है वो 0 है तो बोलता है बी जो हमारा वेक्टर बनेगा बच्चों, बी एनी, तो वेक्टर बी इज एनी वेक्टर, ये कोई भी वेक्टर हो सकता है, वेक्टर बी विल बी एनी वेक्टर इन दैट क्वेश्चन। सो हियर इट वाज आस्क्ड इन दिस क्वेश्चन, आपसे पूछा गया था व्हाट कैन यू कंक्लूड अबाउट द वेक्टर बी, तो हम बोलेंगे वेक्टर बी जो है वो कोई भी वेक्टर हो सकता है, मे बी एनी वेक्टर हियर, राइट। सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 स्टूडेंट्स। चलिए बच्चों डिस्कस करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, 13 एंड 14 आई हैव लेफ्ट फॉर यू। देखिए 15 क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया है, इफ़ द वेक्टर ए बी एंड सी ऑफ, if the vertices A, B and C of the triangle ABC having the position vector that is given to you, so बोलता है हमारे पास फाइंड आउट करो what is the angle ABC, आपको एंगल ABC B एंगल आपको फाइंड आउट करना है। तो बच्चों सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन में, इसके पोजीशन वेक्टर निकाल लेंगे, A के पोजीशन वेक्टर इसको लेकर के i कैप प्लस 2j कैप प्लस 3k कैप, इसके लिए हमारे बन जाएंगे बिकॉज ये दोनों 0 0 हैं। फिर इसी तरह के हम C के पोजीशन वेक्टर निकाल लेंगे, ठीक है बच्चों। इसके बाद हम निकालेंगे बी ए वेक्टर, राइट, उसमें हमारे पास बन जाएगा बी ए वेक्टर फ्रॉम हेयर वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट यू विल राइट आई कैप, और मैं एक बार आपको बताता हूँ कैसे निकालेंगे हम बी ए वेक्टर। ये हमारे पास आ गया बच्चों एंड माइनस हेयर इट इज़ आई कैप। सो हमारा जो बी ए वेक्टर है ये हमारा बन जाएगा 2i कैप प्लस 2j कैप प्लस 3k कैप, ठीक है बच्चों। इसी तरह से हम यहाँ से BC वेक्टर भी फाइंड आउट करेंगे, तो वो हमारा बन जाएगा i कैप प्लस j कैप प्लस 2k कैप, राइट। अब हमें यहाँ पे थीटा निकालना है इसके बीच में, तो जिसमें हमारे पास फार्मूला आ गया cos थीटा, दिस इज cos b हेयर नाउ बिकॉज वी आर सेइंग दिस एंगल b हेयर, दिस इज इक्वल टू BA वेक्टर डॉट प्रोडक्ट विद BC वेक्टर अपॉन BA its magnitude and BC its magnitude. Now what you will do students, you will put the values of these vectors here and while you will solve, on solving it will come as equal to 10 by 102. I have directly written here but very easily you can put these values here because earlier we have done this type of the questions. So this will come, so therefore we can say student this angle B that will come as equal to cos inverse of 10 upon 102 its root. That is the solution of this question. There is question number 15 I have done for you, 16th and 17th both the questions same. Try to solve those questions yourself. With that question your exercise 10.3 is over.